Wow, wonderful word wanderers. Let's welcome 5 wild and witty W words today. The image explains the word wad as a small lump or bundle of something soft like paper or cloth. It shows two children looking at a wad of paper with the sun in the background, helping kids understand that a wad is something soft and squishy you can hold or put in your pocket. The image explains the word wade as walking through water. It shows a boy happily walking in a small pool, helping kids understand that wading means moving through water with your feet. The image explains the word wadding as soft material used inside things like blankets or jackets to keep them warm. It shows two children pointing at fluffy wadding with the sun in the background, helping kids understand that wadding makes things cozy and comfortable. The image explains the word waddle as walking with short steps while moving side to side. It shows a duck waddling and two kids watching, helping children understand how some animals walk in a funny way. The image explains the word wafer as a thin, crispy biscuit. It shows a yummy wafer and two smiling children, helping kids understand that wafers are tasty and fun to eat. And that wraps up our Whirlwind W adventure. Work these words into your world and watch them shine.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.